Meet the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, a mid-range phone that looks and feels like a flagship. It's got a sleek aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both sides, and a flat modern design that just feels premium in your hand. Powering it all is Samsung's new Exynos 1480 processor. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just jumping between apps, it stays fast, smooth, and ready for 5G. The display? A stunning 6.6-inch Super AMOLED with a 120Hz refresh rate. Bright, vibrant, and buttery smooth, even in sunlight. The camera setup features a 50-megapixel main sensor plus ultra-wide and macro lenses. Great detail, natural colors, and solid low-light performance. And with a 5,000 mAh battery, you'll easily get through a full day. Plus 25-watt fast charging when you need a quick top-up. It runs One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, with Samsung's promise of 4 years of OS updates and 5 years of security, which is rare in this price range. The Galaxy A55 5G starts at around $342, and honestly, it's one of the best bang-for-your-buck phones right now. Stylish, powerful, and reliable. The Galaxy A55 might just surprise you. Check the link down there and get best price on Amazon. Don't forget to like video, subscribe in the channel.